The Palisade center console contains a unique cup holder design that keeps beverages handy while giving you the flexibility to neatly store a wide range of other items. To access the cup holders, first open the center console cover by pressing the button. Next, press each button to expand the cup holder. The cup holder will remain in place. To retract the cup holder, slowly press it back into the side of the console. The cup holder will remain retracted until it is expanded again by pressing the button. It's that simple.